Good day, Orteans. Your lecturer for today is Professor Allan Santos, top 5 in the March 2012 Criminology's licensure examination. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button to receive the latest updates. Take it away, Allan.
So our first subject is fundamentals of criminal investigation. So guys, I want you to grab your pen, mag-take kayo ng notes, and let us start. So guys, no, I want you to answer every question that I will give. So para maging interactive ang ating discussion. So you will type your answer, and then I will give you the explanation and the correct answer, of course. Okay. So guys, if you have a confusion, like for example, the spelling, I will type dito sa comment section the terminologies. Okay? So just ask, guys. So just answer, guys, the first slide. So let us start with number 1. So what type of reasoning is used in reconstruction of a crime whereby detective assumes a theory based on the collected information? So, what is your answer, guys, in this question? So, I want you to remember, it's all about crime scene reconstruction. So, crime scene reconstruction, the investigator will assume or will analyze what happened before, during, and after the crime scene. So, in this question, guys, take note, the detective assume a theory based on collected information. So, nagkakaroon siya ng isang idea base sa lahat ng kanyang nakolektang informasyon. So, what do you think is the answer for number 1? Okay, anybody? So guys, a positive approach is not the answer in this one. No, hindi positive approach. Okay. So, letter E, hindi rin yun nasagot. Okay. Logical reasoning as John. Okay, nice try, John. Okay, Mexico, your answer is correct. The answer for this one, I want you to take note. The two types of approaches, okay, when it comes to crime scene reconstruction. No, deduction approach and inductive. What is the difference between the two? Anong pagkakaiba? Tama si Mexico, ang sagot dito, deduction. So, in deduction, you collected first the information. Okay, you collected all, you gathered all the information. Then you deduce. Okay. Then you analyze the information. If the information or is not relevant, hindi siya connected, o hindi mahalaga, okay, tinatanggal. So that is deduction. Pag based on collected information, deduction. Pag induction, based on, hindi siya sa collected, kundi sa mga mako-collect mo pa. Every time that you discover a new information, okay, nadadagdagan ang iyong theory, o kumbaga mas nakakatulong ang pagdagdag ng info, sa pagbuo mo ng isang theory kung anong nangyari during the crime. So that is the difference, guys, between a deduction and the inductive approach. Okay? So the answer, guys, is letter A. Let us now proceed to this one. Physical evidence, which the identify the criminal by means of clues, personal properties, or characteristic, pattern, or procedures deduced from the arrangement. I want you to remember this. The arrangement of objects at the crime scene is referred to as, what is the answer, guys? Please, remember, characteristic, pattern, personal properties, clues. Pattern of procedure deduced from the arrangement of the crime scene. So what is your answer? Okay, anybody? So, the pinakamalayo ditong sagot is corpus delicti. Kasi when you say about corpus delicti, okay, when you say about, guys, corpus delicti, it is the body of the crime. But not only, huwag kayong makontento sa pag-analyze ng corpus delicti as the body of the crime. Okay? Corpus delicti also refers to the existence of the crime. So, tinatype ko, guys, para yung spelling ay inyo ding makuha kapag kayo ay nagsusulat. Okay? So, ito rin ay tumutukoy na totoong nangyari ang krimen. The existence of the crime. There is a wrong thinking na pag sinabi mong corpus delicti, yung katawan ng biktima. Okay? Mali yun. So, ito ang nagpapatunay na may krimen na nangyari. Like for example, in the crime of robbery. So, yung forced entry doon at nawalang bagay doon sa crime scene, like destroyed lock, then stolen phones, yun ang corpus delicti of the crime of robbery. So, I want you to remember that. Although in the murder case or homicide, body of the dead victim is essential to determine the corpus delicti. So, like for example, guys, may nagtanong sa aking estudyante, Sir, paano po kung you use a bomb, sumabog yung bomba, and then si Pedro nandoon, then wala nang natirang any remnants of his body. Okay. So si John, nagtanim ng bomba, naglagay ng bomba, sumabog, nandun si Pedro, na wala nang remnants, kahit anong remnants ng kanyang katawan. Sabi ko sa kanya, napakatindi naman ang bomba mo. Okay. Hydrogen bomb siguro yan. Type of nuclear. Okay. So, dahil naging abo, walang natirang although, no, walang natirang remnants doon sa katawan. Kasi kung ordinaryong bomb lang di ba, because of blast wave, yung mga tissues niya will be scattered all over the place. No? Pero for the sake of argument, sige, walang natira. So, dahil ba walang dead body, no, considered nila as corpus delicti, hindi na pwedeng pailan ng kaso. So, no, kapag there is a sufficient, no, manifestation that Pedro is alive on that place, no, on that place before the bomb explode, no, and there are number of witnesses who can testify that, no, Pedro is on that place before the bomb explode doon sa mismong place na yon. Okay, sufficient enough yon para ma-establish na si Pedro is already there. Okay, so please remember that. So sabi ni Irene, kasi nag-focus si Irene sa pattern of procedure, di ba? Kaya ang inisip niya is modus operandi. Okay? Sabi ni Marigold, okay? He said, Marigold is correct. Okay? So if you will analyze clues, hindi siya direct evidence. Tulad ng mga example. Kasi pag associative evidence, it can be a direct evidence. Dahil when you say about, okay, associative evidence, guys, I want you to read, no, this, no? When you say about associative evidence, so it means, no, it links, so take note of this, it links the suspect, okay, to the crime scene. To the crime scene. So, it links the suspect to the crime scene. To associative evidence, for example, is fingerprint. Okay? Fingerprint. Or a blood, no? That's upon DNA examination. After DNA examination, merong positive identification. So, associative yun. It can be a direct evidence. No? Okay? So, hindi siya clues, no? So hindi rin associative. So ang sagot dito, circumstantial evidence. Okay? Ang circumstantial, it can be a clue, no? Kunyari, uy, nakita ko si Pedro ang huling pumasok sa kwarto bago namatay si Gina. Siya ang huling taong pumasok. It's not a direct evidence, no? Hindi siya okay, eyewitness, but circumstantial lang, clue. Personal properties, no? Naiwan ni Pedro ang tsinelas, no? May tsinelas na nakuha at sabi nila kay Pedro daw yung tsinelas. Okay? Circumstantial. Hindi naman yung brand ng tsinelas na yun si Pedro lang ang nagmamay-ari o bumili. Okay? Circumstantial din yun. Okay? Pattern of procedure. Pattern of procedure. Okay? Kasi there is a possibility na maging magkaparehas ang procedure na ginagawa ng isang tao o ang actions. So, circumstantial. Pati arrangement of objects. So, the answer in this one, guys, is circumstantial evidence. So, alpha is the answer, guys. So, I want you to remember the answer is alpha.
If you want to learn more from him, take our Road to 1 Million challenge. If this channel hits 1 million subscribers, we will release the rest of his lectures. Or you can watch the rest of his lectures now by enrolling in Ortea Criminology Review. Just message us on our Facebook account for more details. See you soon, Orteans!